we're going to draw an orca. And you're going to need a marker and a 6H pencil. But if you don't have a 6H pencil, you could also use a normal pencil. And you could use oil pastels or anything you could use to color it with. But here I'm going to use oil pastels. And, of course, paper. This is how our orca will look like once we're done with it. I used a black marker and oil pastels to color it. Are you ready? Let's start! Let's get our marker and let's draw the eye. Let's draw a small circle on the left side of the paper. Let's draw an oval above the eye. Next, let's draw a curved line. Let's draw the head. It is shaped like a letter C. Let's extend the curved line until it reaches the letter C. Now we will draw the fins. It is shaped like a letter U. Now let's draw a straight line. Then we'll draw a curved line for the side of the tail. Now let's draw a letter C for the tail. Let's extend the curved line until it reaches this part. Now let's draw the back and the dorsal fin. In front of the dorsal fin, let's draw the water coming out of its blowhole. Orcas eat small fishes, so let's draw small fishes near its mouth. Now let's draw a letter U behind its dorsal fin. Let's get our black and blue oil pastels. Let's start coloring. Let's use our black oil pastel to color the head. Let's leave the eye, the oval, and the letter U white. Let's get our blue oil pastel and let's color the water coming out from its blowhole. Let's get our light pink oil pastel to color the fishes. Let's use a 6H pencil to color the eye. If you're using a normal pencil, remember to shade lightly. It's time to put shadows under the fin. Let's use a 6H pencil to put a shadow under the orca. We're done! I hope you enjoyed drawing with me.